No is not an answer. In the beginning, there was not much, so if the owner wants something, we had to develop it ourselves.
Over the years, the problem with local equipment became more and more heat generation. So we started with little cooling fans, but if you start moving air, you always can hear that. And then we thought, okay, if we take all the equipment out of the cabins and put it in a centralized place, first of all, we can calculate how much heat generation there will be, and we can control the environment of the equipment much better. Running 1 meter of cable in a yacht, going through waterproof bulkheads, going through fireproof bulkheads, going through metal decks, in average takes half an hour, 1 meter. So if you have to run 100 meters of cable through a boat, it will take you 50 hours to do that. So I thought at some stage, hey, to every room we need 6, 7, 8 cables. If we combine this in one cable, then it's only once. And it saved the shipyard also a lot of money.
On yachts, we have a lot of satellite dishes, for example 2 or 3. So we did make our own switcher for that. The switchers needed to switch between the domes. So if they are in an area without the receptions, then it could switch to the other one, switch back. So we make something to make it work. So that's why we invent a lot.
Being the pioneer in this market on system integration, digital integration, and now going forward with design integration, we know from the facts already that basically if you would have 4 to 9 buttons, you can control the whole yacht. So rather than creating complex user interfaces, we follow the Bauhaus principle there. Less is more. So there's a whole philosophy about how to design a proper user interface.
We can, for example, implement follow me mode. So as the owner then moves around the yacht, the system would automatically set the same music, the same lighting, the same HVAC temperature in each room that the owner would move around in the yacht. And that's a form of automation that basically removes the requirement of having a specific user interface to control these systems.
With the years, we realized also that the way to consume media in general has dramatically changed. And the idea was to bring the media that are available online in a single interface that the user can rather quickly access all of those media wherever he is on board.
When I push a button, I want instant gratification. So when I push the button, the curtains need to go down. So we started to develop 10 years ago a latency-free control backbone. So optimal comfort for the users.